Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S, gaming revolution and next-gen experiences. These two cutting-edge gaming consoles are revolutionizing the way we play video games, offering next-gen experiences that will blow your mind. From improved game performance to stunning graphics, the Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S is redefining the gaming industry and setting the bar for future gaming technology. The future of gaming technology? The Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S features some of the most advanced gaming hardware on the market, allowing for enhanced gameplay and immersive gaming experiences. With 4K gaming capabilities, you can enjoy crystal-clear graphics like never before, making every game feel more lifelike and immersive. Game-changing features. One of the standout features of the Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S is its game library, which is filled with a wide variety of games that cater to every type of gamer. Whether you're into action-packed shooters, immersive RPGs, or thrilling sports games, you'll find something to love on the Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S. The ultimate gaming experience. When it comes to gaming, the Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S is designed to provide you with the ultimate gaming experience. Its game design is top-notch, with stunning visuals and responsive controls that make every game feel smooth and natural. Conclusion. The Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S is more than just a gaming console, it's a gaming revolution. With its cutting-edge technology, immersive gaming experiences, and innovative features, the Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S is shaping the future of gaming and setting new standards for the gaming industry.